Leg pain can quietly take over a person's entire life. Yet the strange truth is that we don't take our legs seriously until they scream in pain and force us to notice that they too need rest and care. We walk all day, run, climb stairs, carry weight, stand for hours. We throw everything on these two legs, and then we wonder why they hurt. The reality is that leg pain doesn't happen in a single day. It builds slowly when we don't drink enough water, when we sit or stand for long hours, when we wear the wrong shoes, or when we skip the small stretches our muscles desperately need. If you want your legs to stay strong, active, and pain-free throughout your life, remember this: your legs aren't an extra part. They are the foundation that carries your entire world. A 1-minute morning stretch wakes up the muscles. 15 to 20 minutes of simple walking boosts blood flow like magic, and small movements every few hours break the stiffness that builds from sitting. Drinking more water relaxes the muscles and reduces cramps, while lifting your legs for just 5 minutes in the evening melts away the day's pressure. These tiny steps create massive changes. If your weight is high, your legs fight against that burden every second. So even small weight control and foods rich in calcium, magnesium, and protein strengthen your legs from the inside out. Sometimes a warm cloth or warm water compress relaxes the muscles as if the pain is melting away. The truth is, your legs carry you through every moment of your life, and if you start taking care of them today, they will keep you standing strong tomorrow. Never ignore your body. Your legs carry your whole life, and they fully deserve your attention, your care, and a little bit of love. If this message helped you even a little, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Take care of your health, because your body is the only place you truly live.